How to create your own league in Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Premier League application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the fantasy option on the bottom of your screen. You will see the option for draft on top. So tap on the draft option you see there, and you will then see the option for create or join a league. So tap on the play now option you see there, and then go ahead and tap on the create a private league option in order to create your own league. And you will now be required to enter your team name, and you will be required to select your favorite team. Additionally, if you want game notifications, you can simply tap on the checkbox you see there. If not, you can simply skip. You will then be required to enter your league name, and you will be required to choose your league scoring. Also, then go ahead and choose your minimum teams and then choose your maximum teams. Now, if you want, you can add an initial draft and select your game week accordingly. Further, go ahead and enter a date and time and then add in the draft order preference and the time zone. Once done, you can tap on the player traders drop down and choose your preferred option. Finally, tap on the terms and condition checkbox you see there and then tap on the create league option, and with this, your own league will be created. So this was about how you can create your own league on Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.